Hi student, in this session we are learning about the products of coal. See, coal is a carbon compound. Coal is a type of carbon compound. It is made from carbon and hydrogen. See, when coal is heated strongly, closed and reduced in the absence of air, a number of useful products are obtained. See, coal is a heated. Coal is heated, absence of air. And here is a number of products are obtained. See, when a coal is heated, number of is a enclosed resort. Next we have to see here is a number of products is a coal gas, coke. See, it is a three types is a obtained. See, coal gas is there, coal tar is there, and coke is there. Coal gas. Next, coal tar. Next, third one, see, coke. See, this like three types of products is obtained. Three types of products is obtained. See, now we have to see the coal in the presence of air. See, coal is burning in the presence of air. See, coal is burning in the presence of air. What will happen? It will be producing the carbon dioxide plus heat energy. See, this like producing. See, and no other useful substance obtained. See, no other useful substance is obtained. So, the carbon dioxide plus heat. Next, absence of, it is called the destructive distillation of coal. See, we are obtaining this like coal gas, coal tar, and coke. See, we are getting from the coal. Next, let us do one by one. So, it is coal gas, coal tar, and coke. First one is a coal gas. Coal gas. What is coal gas? Coal gas is it is a gaseous fuel. Coal gas is a gaseous fuel. See, coal gas is a gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel is there, coal gas. Next, we have to see the fuel with obtained by the strong heating of coal in the absence of air and during the processing of coal get coke. See, we have to see that this is also obtaining. So, it is a coal. See, absence of air. Absence of air is a strong heating. We are getting here is a coke. We are getting finally coke. Next, we have to see this coal gas. Next, we have to see coal gas is a gaseous fuel with obtained by the strong heating of coal and in the absence of air during the process of coal to get coke. Next, we have to see here is a mixtures is there. See, what mixtures is there? Methane is there, hydrogen is a coal gas. Methane plus methane plus hydrogen. See, we are calling this is a coal gas. Coal gas. And some amount of carbon monoxide. We are calling this is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide also. Okay. Next here, see all the gases present in coal gas and can burn to produce the heat, due to the which coal gas is the excellent fuel. See, if you this coal gas is a burning, what will happen? It will be producing the heat energy. See, due to coal gas is a excellent fuel. See, coal gas is a excellent fuel. Coal gas is a excellent fuel also. Okay, next we have to see it is used to industries. That is, see this coal gas is a used in industries. Next we have to see it is produce a good amount of light also producing. See, coal gas uses street light in fast London. Coal gas used as a light energy. See, street light. Street light. First time in London. See which year? 18. It is a used this one 1810. See which year? 1810. See in the London. Next we have to see in New York 1820. In New York, see 1820, around 1820. See, this is about the coal gas. See, coal gas is a gaseous fuel, and in the coal gas absence of air, it will be burned and it will produce the coke. See, it is a mixture of methane and hydrogen. We are calling the coal gas. See, some amount of carbon monoxide also mix. Coal gas is a excellent fuel. See, it is used as a industrial fuel. Coal gas used in a street light first time in London 1810, and see here in New York also is using as a street light 1820. See, this is about the coal gas. Next we have to learn the coal tar. Coal tar. What is coal tar? See, coal tar also, it is a type of fuel, and this coal tar is a using for in a it is a road, laying the road. So it is a using this coal tar. See, coal tar is a thick black liquid having a unpleasant smell, which is obtained by the heating coal in the absence of air. See, it is also black in color, liquid, unpleasant smell, and we have to see the obtained by heating. Coal is absence of air. It is also absence of air, and it is not a it is a product. It is not a single product, and see, not a single product or compound. Next, it is a mixture of 200 carbon compounds. It is mixture of 200 carbon compounds. 200 carbon compounds is there. Okay. Next we have to see the carbon compounds like benzene. See, next we have to see the carbon compounds like benzene. See this like benzene. See, toluene. See, this like toluene is there. Anthracene, naphthalene, Next we have to see the this like benzene, toluene, naphthalene and anthracene, phenol, and we have to see the aniline. Phenol, see this like phenol. Next we have to see the here aniline. See, these are a compounds we are getting. Carbon compounds like benzene is there, toluene is there, anthracene, naphthalene and phenol, aniline. See, these compounds is present. Next we have to see the process. It is used to see fractional distillation process. See, separating. It is used to the fractional distillation. It is separating from these like some large amount of products, and we have to see that it is used to make synthetic fibers. So it is used to synthetic fibers like say drugs, medicines for also it is using, and it is used to the synthetic drugs and paints, perfumes. See, next we have to see that here is a paints, perfumes, plastic, drugs, and see this like number of products is we are getting, and industrial various like pesticides and photographic materials and roofing materials and explosive etc. we are getting these from coal tar. See, this is a coal tar also. It is a very very important. Next we have to learn the coke. Okay, coke is there. Next one is a coke. Coke is a tough and porous block solid substance. It is also produce absence of air. It is also produce absence of air. So it is a coal is there. If I heat absence of air, it will be obtained the coal gas and coal tar. It is a obtained, and here is a coke is a left. See, left behind. See this like as a block residue. Thus coal mine also volatile constitute is coke is there. This like coke is we are obtained. Coke is an almost pure form of carbon. So it is a almost is a pure form of carbon. Pure form of carbon. So it is 98% carbon is there. So it is a very important. See, here is a 98% carbon is present. Carbon is present in coke. It is used to reducing agent in the we have to see the extraction of metals. Extraction of metals like ferrous, zinc we are using, and used in the manufacture of steel and used as a fuel. And coke is better than coal. Coke is better than coke. See, without producing any smoke, it doesn't producing the any smoke, this coke. And we have to see the coal is producing lot of smoke. See, this like coke is a lot of tough and porous black solid substances is there. See, it is used also produce absence of air. See, this like as a black residue, this coal mines is a volatile constituent in coke. See, almost is pure form of carbon. So it is a 98% carbon is present in this, and is a without producing any smoke, but is a coal is a producing the smoke.